Alright, I'm down here in the meeting slash ballroom area here at the Signia by Hilton near Walt Disney World in Orlando slash Lake Buena Vista. And here we have the elevator that goes up to the lobby of the hotel. So now we're at Otis. Otis is Series 4, I believe. Look how big this elevator is. Very big. Go to the lobby. Nice motor. Back down the ground. Like I said, this is a very big elevator, especially for a meeting room elevator. Your ground's fast going down. Anyways, these are your buttons. Capacity is 5,000 pounds. Certificates. Got a panel over here as well. We'll take the ride up to the lobby and listen to the dry power motor. A little bit of classic leveling as well. And now we'll edit ground. It's quite bouncy. And there it goes. And that's it.